Want to know how to create a Pascal's triangle in Java? So in this video, I'm just going to show you this small code right here, or 39 code, and show you how you can create a Pascal triangle easily. So it's super simple and under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, what we need to know is first up, what is a Pascal triangle? So Pascal's triangle is a pattern of numbers where each number is the sum of the two above it. So in Java, we simply use loops. So right here you can see we have used a for loop right here, and inside we have also used a nested loop that is with INTJ. So we do it in order to generate a triangle row by row. So we start with 1 and calculate the next number using combinations. So this is our combination right here. So now equals to now multiplied by INSA divided by j plus 1. So right here this is like a formula. So it's a fun way to combine loops, math and patterns in coding. This is a great practice for beginners wanting to understand loops and nested logics as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I'm just going to show you the triangles, and there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.